everyone.
Hi.
Hi. Let me tell you about myself. My name is Rifat Bilalfain. You can call me Bira. I was born in Lampung, but my family is original Javanese. This is when I was child. And then I am the third child in my family. I have two older brothers and one younger sister. This is my family. This is my mother and my father. Okay, and I have two hobbies. The first, my hobby is running. I very like running because running teach me about awareness, about love myself, about understand myself. If I feel tired, stressed, running always make my feel better. And then I like reading books because reading always give me new perspective. I learn many things from reading, knowledge, perspective, and others. And then after I graduated from elementary school, I continued my study in Yogyakarta. Almost half of my life I spent in Yogyakarta. I studied in Islamic boarding school from junior high school to senior high school. And when I studied in my Islamic boarding school, I was very active in Pencak Silat. Do you know Pencak Silat? Pencak Silat is martial art from Indonesia. Okay. I trained almost every day. The training is hard, but I enjoy it.
What's the name?
The unforgettable moment is when I was in senior high school. I represent Yogyakarta to competence in national level.
Ooh.
I competence with 33 athletes in Indonesia, and then I won third place.
Oh. Our
I
athletes.
was very proud of myself. And then after that, I continued my study in a university in Yogyakarta. I took psychology as my major. When I was in university, I have many friends. I did many things like organization, committee, and I work as a teaching assistant in my university. Before I graduated from my university, I took certification of coach of martial arts and then delivery. So after I graduated from my university, I worked as a coach of Pencak Silat in several schools in Yogyakarta, from child until adults. In elementary school, junior high school, several high school, I teach all of them. And then sometime on the weekends, I became referee in many competitions in Yogyakarta. This is my picture. In many levels of competition. And then sometime, because I like running, I help to organize running event in Yogyakarta. This with my friends. I did many things even in Yogyakarta. And then after that, sometime I became a speaker of mental health, about psychology of teenager and others in several in Yogyakarta. And then if you ask me about my dreams, actually I will be as athlete psychology because I will help many athletes in Indonesia to reach their best performance. I will be influencer in sport and psychology. I will inspire people to live healthy and balance their life. And then after I graduate from BC, I will continue my study in German. I will take master degree of sport psychology in Leipzig, German University. Is the best university in German about psychology. And then my greatest wish in my life is I want to be pass away in good condition or husnul khotimah.
Amin.
And then I will